Rolling into Golden. Howdy, folks. I've been in this area so many times, I feel like countless times, and I've never driven through Golden. It's a really pretty little town. It seems like it's got a lot of cool things to do. So, probably worth a hangout. Puppies. That big one. These dogs are so cool. Mountain dog. On my way to see String Cheese Incident. Very excited. I'm in Denver. Obviously, things are being built around here. Oh man, haven't seen these guys since June in Red Rocks. It's gonna be so good. About to get some noodles on. These noodles. With these dogs. Headed back to New Mexico. Up in the mountains. Hanging out with Goldie. Go front seat. Happy New Year's, everyone. We have a super cool day. Hang out with some cool friends and chill out. About to say goodbye to the Rockies. It was a fun time, Rocky Mountains. Until next time, this summer. Cool clouds today. Almost back in New Mexico. Really cool. I get to meet one of my buddies. So that's always cool. And Goldie is getting her co-pilot's license, but she's going through all the training right now. Look at that. She's hanging in there. Jasper's back there sleeping. Because some people just aren't cut out for life on the road. Back in New Mexico. Jasper. doggy drive. It's kind of hard to see, but kind of makes it cool. Got Jasper up here with me this time. Got his little bum off the couch back there. Feels good to be back in Texas. I hear it's a beautiful week ahead of us. I turned 43 on January 4th. I feel like that's old. I think that gray patch on my chin's gonna get bigger and lead to sideburns. Hope your New Year's off to a great start. Adios. Back in Texas for a very crazy reason. I should still be gone. Yeah. Unfortunate situation I found myself in, but back home. Be home in 4 hours. To thank you guys for riding along with me on my trip to Santa Fe in Colorado. Fortunately, I had to cut it a little bit short for a super weird situation, but back here, my home hangout, Jimmy's. So, cool. Thanks for joining the ride, and I encourage everybody to get out there and travel as much as you can. I truly feel that you'll be the most open-minded in life when you get to see other cultures and how other people live, and sometimes even don't be scared to sleep on the street. You have to just get out there and do what you can to have fun. All right, Happy New Year, everybody.